with the beard, and the truth lives here. On this episode, I want to talk about beard porosity. What is beard porosity? Being that I'm in California, or being that I'm in Atlanta now, I moved to Atlanta, and I'll tell you that story on another video. The temperature, these two extremes, different types of weather, environments, etc., etc. So my beard has been going through this transition and trying to figure out what's going on. Being here that I've been in Atlanta, it's rained, and this is like in a 2-week period. It's rained, it snowed, it was 0 below, it was 30 degrees, all in a 2-week period. So you can imagine what I'm going through right now, at least my beard. So I'm trying to recalibrate my beard. I'm trying to get some balance, get some beard balance, if you will. I'm trying to find balance. It's a challenge. I'm on this journey. Things happen. You move. Life happens. You may not have something. Adjust. Don't complain about it. Don't beat yourself up about it. Adjust. And that's what I'm doing. I'm adjusting. I'm adapting to where I am, and I'm figuring out a solution so I can make sure I can help you guys. Now, that being said, hit beard porosity. Beard porosity is how well each hair strand can retain and absorb moisture. There's 3 different categories in beard porosity. There is low porosity, there is a normal porosity, and there's high porosity. Low porosity is when you don't get any moisture at all, if any, like a very a small amount of moisture in your beard. That creates a problem. If you have normal porosity, it's normal. Your beard is normal. You have nothing to worry about. You're able to absorb moisture, and your beard is able to retain it in a normal way. If you have high porosity is when your hair cuticles that's on each hair strand are up like Lamborghini doors, and it's easy for your beard to absorb moisture, but as easy as it's able to absorb moisture, it's hard to retain it. So as easy as moisture comes in, as easy as it goes. Easy comes, easy goes. That part. All right? That's high porosity. Those are the three different categories in beard porosity. Now, how do you know which category you fit in? Great question. You want to test it. How do you test it? You want to take a strand of your beard. You know, you can take one that's shedded, that has shedded. Make sure your beard is clean first. Okay, make sure it's clean before you do this test. Get it, you pick it, you comb it, whatever you use, and you find some hair on your pick or your comb. Take that, get a cup of room temperature water, put that hair strand or that beard strand in the cup of water. If it floats, then that means you have low porosity. If it slowly sinks to the bottom, that means you have normal porosity. If that beard strand, as soon as you put it into the water, it just goes straight to the bottom right away, then that means you have high porosity. Those are the 3 categories. That's how you test which category you fit in. Now, what are some things you can do if you fit in one of these 3 categories? If you have a low porosity, here's some of the things that you can do that can help you. A, you want to make sure you steam your beard. Now I know who has a steamer at home, and who has a beard steamer just laying around. I know I don't. So here's an affordable way and an easy way for you to do it, so you don't have to go out and spend any money. Get a hand towel, soak it under hot water. I don't advise putting it in the microwave. I don't have a microwave. If you do, that's your business. But let me share with you how I do it. Get a hand towel, hot water. Make sure it's hot. Wring it out and place it on your beard, okay? Place it on your beard. You can do this right after you get out the shower. You can do this right before you put on any products. That way you can start and you're doing that so you can open up your hair cuticles because they're closed. So you need to open up the hair cuticles so moisture can get in, okay? So you keep that on there. It's gonna soften your beard. It's gonna open up your hair cuticles. Now, you wanna use products that have light ingredients or that are light products, such as grapeseed oil, argan oil, just to throw out a few. All right, you want to begin to go light, okay? You also want to do the apple cider vinegar rinse if you're already not doing that. If you don't want the apple cider vinegar, you can do the coconut vinegar. Google it, you'll find that's another alternative. That's gonna have many benefits. I've also showed you can click the link up above. I've shown you how to do the apple cider vinegar rinse. That's another treatment that you can do as well, okay? So those are a couple things you can do if you have low porosity. Well, what if you have normal porosity? What can I do, B? You ain't gotta do nothing. Simple as that. Just do what you've been doing, because whatever you're doing is working. Simple as that. Now, if you have high porosity, you want to use heavy oils, heavy balms, heavy butters. All right, and you want to do a deep conditioner. You want to do deep conditioning treatments as well. And no matter what category you fit in, you need to detox. Click the link up above there, one of these. So I've already discussed that treatment. Click the link above and it will go into more depth and details. I don't want to use this time to go into the details. Okay? Well, I hope you find that very informative. Use that, going through the test. Comment below which category you fit in. Let me know the results that you've gotten after you tested it and you made some adjustments if you need to make adjustments, all right? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the thumbs up, the likes, okay? Make sure that you watch the previous videos of the different treatments. Don't forget to do that. And also, don't forget to tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. You already know. This your boy B with the beard. You rocking with the best, the only one.